Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and making a quick backup so nothing important is lost. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps to see which apps are user-installed versus system. Make sure developer options are enabled and USB debugging is on if you plan to use ADB. This gives you powerful removal options. You don't need to wait. Mark the big offenders, note which are uninstallable and which are system-only, and plug in the phone when ready. You should uninstall user apps first, either from the Play Store or Settings, because that immediately frees storage and stops background activity. For pre-installed system apps you cannot remove, disable them to stop updates and background processes, and force stop any that are active. If you're comfortable, use ADB commands or a reputable package disabler to uninstall or freeze system packages. This is safer, long-term, and reversible if you keep a record of package names. Make sure to reboot after major changes to stabilize the system. Finish by tightening app permissions and restricting background activity so removed bloat cannot restart. Reinstall only essential apps and watch battery and CPU for any unexpected spikes. This confirms you haven't disabled a critical service. If an app or system feature breaks, enable the disabled package or reinstall it. A safe reboot often resolves startup hiccups. If a serious problem persists, restore from the backup you took earlier or use ADB to re-enable packages. This troubleshooting protects your device without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.